my name is Zoe and I'm the School Support Coordinator with ChatterHigh. Today I'm going to show you how to create a class on ChatterHigh. Creating a class will prove useful since you'll be able to assign work to your students and monitor their progress. So let's get started. After you've logged into your ChatterHigh account, go to your dashboard and click on the Classes tab at the top. Here, click on Create a Class. Then choose a name for your class, the school year, and select the grade of your students. Note that if you have a multi-level class, students from different grades will still be able to join. Once you're done, click on Save this class. Once your class has been created, you should be able to see it in the Classes tab. As you can see, my class is right here. Now, I want to explain how students can join your class. There are two different ways to do this. First, you can share with them your class code. In this case, the code is DILW. Let me switch to a student account to show you what it looks like for students to join a class. Here is the student account view on ChatterHigh. You'll notice that the student dashboard is a little bit different from yours. To find classes, students have to click on the arrow next to their name and select My Classes. The easiest, most effective way for your students to join your class will be to enter the class code you have provided for them right here. Or, if they don't have the code available, students can scroll through the different classes created at your school and find the right one. Once they found it, they can click on Join Class.